Okay guys, Lexus GX470 2009, and I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light. It's very simple. You get inside the truck. So let's start up the truck. See the maintenance light right there? That flashing light right there? That's your maintenance light. That means oil is due, so do your oil change and reset the light. Do not reset the light just because you know how to do it after watching this video. So all you're gonna do is we're gonna use this button right here. Let's turn off the truck. Well, let's put the truck on accessory. You don't have the engine running. Put the truck on accessory. Just scroll through here, go to odometer, OD or reading, and leave it there. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use one hand to push this button down and hold it down. Do not let it go. And the other hand, I'm gonna turn the key to accessory just like that. So let me set this up. Let me put my light here. Let me put my camera right there. So we're already in the proper settings. So first I'm gonna turn the key off. So the key is off. I'm gonna push down on this button. Pay attention to the light here. It's gonna start to flash fast. So hold it down, do not let it go, and put the key on accessory. Watch this. See that it's flashing? It should turn off after a few flashes and you let it go. You're all done. That's how you're gonna reset the maintenance light. It's very simple. Now if I turn this key off and I start up the truck, you should no longer have that flashing light. It should just turn on and then go away, and you have successfully reset the light. Okay, I'm sorry. We have to also go into the settings here to reset it from right here as well. So what you do is you go to information, you have the key on accessory, and you're gonna push down on information button, and then you have the maintenance right there. Click on maintenance, engine oil, and what we're gonna do is the data is not set, but distance here. Oops, what did I do? So distance, it's already set to 5,000. Oops, it's a reset. You see that? And let's go back. Let's go to oil filter. Let's press OK. Let's go to oil filter now. Distance, why is it not showing? Okay, 5,000, and then you go. So that's how you're gonna do it. You go to menu, information. Let's go back. So pretty much you click on this, click on the engine oil. You're gonna press distance. It's gonna ask you for how much the distance you want it to be. Press OK, and then this distance should change. Like it was at 200 something, but now it has changed to 5,000. Let's go back. You're gonna do the same thing for this, and distance. Put in the mileages, 5,000, and according to the oil that you used. Let's go back. Tire rotation. You do the same thing. Distance, 5,000. It's already ready for you, and then it changes to 5,000. Let's go back. We're not going to touch any of the other stuff, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.